Hey guys, Default by Shot. Just want to explain why I'm going to be reviewing this for the $35 price, so it's not a huge price, so people aren't going to be all crazy about it. But this is the RedDragon K552 red LED backlight mechanical gaming keyboard. The reason I'm showing this right now is because this is Amazon's choice, and I just kind of want to explain just the kind of little backstory before we started the video on the whole of the review and what I'm doing this for. It's usually $60, it's $35. I don't really cover that in the video later either. This is the Amazon's choice keyboard, so anyone knows who's the review. Guys, it's Default by Shot today. Today we're going to be looking at the RedDragon K552 red LED backlight mechanical gaming keyboard. Yesterday I reviewed the Victizing metal mechanical keyboard. Today I just got a shipment in from Amazon. Today we're going to be looking at, again, the RedDragon K552 red LED backlight mechanical keyboard. So we have the box open, and here the bad boy is. Here's the box we got. It's a single color RedDragon mechanical game keyboard. The front of the box, you can see quite a bit of detail. Back of the box, there's some stats there, it looks like. Its features. So anyway, let's open the bad boy up. So, cords included in there. Anything else in there? Nope. So as you can see here, we can already kind of see here instruction labels, keyboard itself. So as the initial review, as you can see here, here is the front of it. And for $35, I'll show you the screening here in a little bit so you can see what it looks like on Amazon. So we got two kickstands in the back here. So you can lay it down. It is wired. The cord does not come out. It seems like a pretty long cord. It's actually really good. And I'll show you on the computer in a little bit and how it looks in the backlight and everything is looking here. Looks really good, and I'm actually really happy with the sound. The mechanical sound is very great. I actually really like that. So you can see here when you press it, it's a really nice mechanical sound to it. Sounds really nice, and I really like the noise of that mechanical sound. Really happy with what I'm seeing right now. Can't wait to see this thing in action. Again, on the box it does look like this, so that when it lights up you just kind of see what it's like. And those are the keycap unlocker. Instruction label, and it looks like just a card with their name on it. And a nice cord label. So anyway, I'll see you guys back when I have this hooked up to my computer, my PS4. See how it plays out. Alright. See here we have the keyboard lit up. You can have it in one different mode. You can either have it on or off, and that. Turn it back on. You see, it types really well. The only keys that don't type very well, I'd say, are the ones on the bottom. I mean, they all are really, pretty much all of them work really well. And as you can see up here, we have one similar to the other one we had, which doesn't do anything unless you have them hooked up to a specific output inverter, but I don't have that, obviously, so can't really do that. But the sound is very nice. That is definitely, for $35, that is a really good price, as well as a really good mechanical click per price, I guess. So really good value per price, and it actually looks, the red actually looks really nice. Actually kind of like that, and it's kind of small and really compact, so you can actually like play in your lap or play however you really want. So I think that's actually a really cool feature there. So as you can see, that's how it types. You have the RedDragon symbol on the back. So you have the keycaps there, and it's really good if you are wondering what type it is. You can see here it is blue for the Type A cap. It's really, really nice. Feels really, really nice too. As you can see, it's a really great keyboard, the RedDragon 5527 and the Kerma. And anyway, that's the review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I actually really, really like this keyboard. I recommend it a lot. And later on, either today or tomorrow, we'll be doing comparing the contrast between the two. So kind of stay tuned for that. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.